Me, my wife, and our toddler Penny all love our homemade ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream! And your cousin too.
Yeah, she loves it.
Don't buy and eat ice cream from supermarkets and similar shops. Don't give them to your children. Like any other ultra-processed food, they are full of harmful chemicals to make their taste and texture addictive, with complete disregard to your and your loved one's health. Make your own healthy ice cream at home instead. It really is very simple and they taste great. The base ingredients are fruits of your choice, good quality honey and kefir. Kefir is basically fermented milk, not too dissimilar to natural white yogurt. If you can't source a kefir, use natural white yogurt with bit of a milk instead. Cut the fruits up, put them into the blender, add kefir and bit of a honey, and blend it all together until you get smoothie-like liquid. Pour the smoothie into the ice cream molds, place them into the freezer, and job's done. Use your imagination when making it next time and change the fruits up. Enjoy your healthy homemade ice creams and stay away from ultra-processed foods which have zero nutritional value.